I have one NVR here, two cameras, one PoE switch and a lap monitor for the display. Today what I'm gonna do is connect these two cameras on that PoE switch and then PoE switch to the one of the port here, PoE port from NVR, and see how it works. Now these two cameras are connected to the PoE switch and the PoE switch is connected to one of the port of NVR, and I have main internet coming to the NVR from there. You can see now we have one camera running. Even if we have two cameras connected on the PoE switch, it's because of the IP address. We have to go to the settings, go to camera, and then assign a specific static IP address for each camera. That's how it's gonna work. Now what we have to do is we have to find the you can see that camera is working. We have to find the IP address of this camera now. IP address of both this camera we need, so we have to wire connection my laptop to the switch. Has to be same switch, and then go to STAP app. As we can see, we have this camera's IP address. So these are the IP addresses we have to enter here manually. We have two IP addresses here. Just here, and then we go to the camera. If you hover over there, we can see 192.168.254.10. 254.10. Now what we gotta do is we gotta create another one, do manual, and then 10.11, yeah, and then enter the password here. There we go, and then the camera came back. Now we can see both cameras using the switch on that cameras, and then it was connected on the NVR directly. That's how it works.